Children of God, February gets its name from an ancient Roman festival called Febroa, a time devoted to purification and cleansing. In the old Roman calendar, February was once the last month of the year, a season meant for washing away what was old before something could begin anew. Rituals during Febroa focused on purification rites for homes, fields, and even relationships. It was a pagan attempt to reset life and restore balance. Cleansing was seen as necessary before renewal. The idea was simple. You cannot move forward without being purified first. History reminds us that human beings have always longed for renewal. Even before Christianity, people sensed the need to be made clean. That longing was real but incomplete. For Christians, February is no longer about cleansing rituals alone, but about the presentation of the Lord, where true purification enters the world in the person of Jesus.